Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we've got Madam Glam's new July collection. Who's ready to see what gorgeous colours we've got this month? So the name of this collection is called Summer Rush, which tells me there's going to be some gorgeous, bold, bright summer colours. Ooh, who's ready? Ooh, we've got new labels. So we have got 4 cat eyes and we've got 4 creamy colour gel polishes. So these are the cat eyes to start with. Ooh, look at those. Gorgeous, bright, bold colours, aren't they? Right up my street. And then we've got these 4 creamy colours. Again, right up my street, especially this one. I love that. It's coming across more pink on camera, but it is more of a sort of corally colour, orangey pink. Yeah, it's definitely not as pink as it's showing on camera. But they're all really nice colours as well. That green's beautiful as well, isn't it? A lot of you guys already know I'm not a massive fan of green, but I do like that green. I'm really mad with this lighting because I thought I'd sort my lighting out in my last video and my colours were showing true to what they are, but that, for some reason, is not. Why is that not showing it right? Yeah, it is. It's showing it a lot more pinker than what it is to the eye. So we're going to swatch it. So we're going to start off by swatching these 4 creamy colours first, then we'll do the cat eyes after. So anyone that's not heard of Madam Glam before, Madam Glam have a really good formula of their gels. They're vegan, cruelty-free, TPO-free, 21-free formula and Hema free. You've got your ingredients there if you want to have a quick look through those. You will find all the ingredients on their website as well, if you do want to check over them. They cure for 60 seconds in an LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. You get 15ml. You've always got your swatch in the lid and got the name on the bottom. So let's get them swatched. I think what I'm going to do is, guys, while I'm swatching them, I'm just going to speed the swatching up, pop a little bit of music on, and then I'll come back in before we swatch the cat eyes, because I don't want this video to get super long. So the first one we are going to swatch is Party Popper, my favourite one. I just want to quickly say as well, guys, before I start, this collection is available on Madam Glam's website right now. It has just been released. You can buy the individual colours and you can also buy the full collection at a discounted rate. I have got a massive 35% off discount code for Madam Glam as well. So if you do decide to place yourself an order, don't forget to pop in GG35 at checkout. That will take off 35% off your whole order. Oh, guys, I wish you could see this as I'm seeing it. Oh, and it's got them DuPont bristles inside as well. I love these brushes. So they've got the arched brushes inside. They fit beautifully in that cuticle area. Really does cut your application time down a lot. Anything to make my job quicker, I'm all for. So let's see what this Party Popper's like, shall we? Wow. That is stunning. That is more true to colour. Still is looking slightly pinker. Is a little bit more corally than that. It is a beautiful, beautiful colour. What I'll do is, guys, I will pop a picture in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen of the true colour, just so you can see what I'm seeing, because that is definitely going to be my favourite. I know it is. So give that a cure for 60 seconds. So like I said, I'm going to pop some music on now, guys. Speed the swatching up, and then I'll pop back in once we come to swatch the cat eyes. Right guys, so that is them 4 swatched. That's what they look like, both matte and shiny. I like doing my swatch sticks like this, you know, because sometimes the colour can look slightly different with a matte top coat to when it's got a shiny top coat. So I do like to be able to show you what they look like, both matte and shiny. They're really, really pretty colours, aren't they? This Party Popper is definitely my favourite though. But they're all really, really pretty, aren't they? Proper summer vibe colours. Can't wait to do something with those shortly. So that is the 4 creamy colours. Now we're on to the cat eyes. So the first up of the cat eyes. Also, I just want to show you as well, it does tell you on here, look, that they are cat eyes on the front of the label. So this first one is called Berry Bliss. And one thing I do like about Madam Glam cat eyes, they don't need to be applied over a black like a lot of cat eyes do. They're so pigmented, you can apply them straight over a clear, as you can see. Ooh, that is a beautiful colour. Beautiful. That shimmer is gorgeous. Look at that. So that's what it looks like as a full cover colour. It's so pretty. Now I'll show you what it looks like with the cat eye effect. So I pulled out my magnet. Just going to give it a little... Oh, that moves quick. Wow. Look at that. Stunning. Now I'm going to try and do the love heart effect. Some cat eyes work better than others, so I'm not sure what it's going to look like yet. But we're going to give it a try. Oh yeah, it's working. It's working, my guys. Look at that. Ooh. Really, really pretty that, isn't it? So we're going to give that a cure for 60 seconds quickly, and that will freeze that in place. And then that is the cat eyes all swatch, guys. I haven't given them a matte top coat. I did try giving them a matte top coat on half of the swatch stick, but the thing is, it distorted the heart, so I've decided to not matte these ones out. I'm really liking doing my swatches with these hearts, you know. I'm really liking it. They're really pretty, aren't they? And they're like, it's not really a glitter, it's more of a really fine shimmer. I'm loving them colours, proper summer colours, aren't they? Gorgeous. So, that is them all swatch, guys. So, that is the creamy colours again, one last time. Beautiful summer shades. One coaters as well, guys. Really opaque, creamy colours. And a lot of you guys know these sort of neon colours usually are quite jelly, but not these. These are super creamy. Love them. And then one last time, that is the cat eyes. Gorgeous. Love them. So there we are, guys. That is everything for today's video. Madam Glam's brand new July collection called Summer Rush. Nice quick video for you today. So I am going to be doing a design with these probably later on today. So that video will be out in the next couple of days. So if you do want to see what I do with some of these gels, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Like I said earlier as well, guys, don't forget to use my 35% off discount code if you do decide to place yourself an order. I'll make sure that I pin that in the comments along with the link to the Madam Glam website. Everything that I've showed you in today's video, I'll leave the names of in my description box below. And yeah, I think that is everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.